Your timetable is found in your Outlook calendar through Office 365. Step 1. Head to the Office 365 website. Step 2. Please enter your TAFE student ID followed by @tafe.wa.edu.au and password into the sign-in function. If you have forgotten your password or cannot access your account, please visit the Timetables page on the South Metropolitan TAFE website. Alternatively, you can visit one of our campus libraries for assistance. Next, you will need to navigate to Outlook. In Outlook, you will find your TAFE emails and calendar. Please click on the Outlook icon. Your timetable is found in your Outlook calendar. Please click the calendar icon located at the bottom left of the screen. Your classes will only appear on the days they are scheduled. Therefore, to find your classes, you must scroll through to the first week of the semester. If you still need assistance accessing your timetable, you can call 1800 001 001 or email info@smtafe.wa.edu.au or pop into one of our libraries on campus. For more information, visit southmetrotafe.wa.edu.au.